class, welcome to your learning today. Today we're going to use a number line for division. I know that you might know the quotient for some of these calculations, but please do the number line method. It's going to help you when we do another method later on in yellow class. When we do the number line method for division, we set it out the same way that we do multiplication. However, we need to look at the equation, 18 divided by 3. Our divisor, 3, is what we're going to jump in, and we're going to jump in 3s until we get to 18. Then we count the amount of jumps that we did to get the quotient. Let me show you. We start on 0 on the left hand side, and I'm going to jump in 3s until I get to 18. So 0 add 3 is 3. 3 add 3 is 6. 6 add 3 is 9. 9 add 3 is 12. 12 add 3 is 15. 15 add 3 is 18. And that's where I stop because I've got to 18. Now I count the number of jumps that I've done, and that is my quotient. So 18 divided by 3 has a quotient of 6. Let's have a go at 32 divided by 4. My divisor is 4, so that is the amount that I'm going to jump in, and I'm going to jump in 4s until I get to 32. So I'm going to start on 0 on the left hand side, and I'm going to jump in 4s. 0 add 4 equals 4. 4 add 4 equals 8. 8 add 4 equals 12. 12 add 4 equals 16. 16 add 4 equals 20. 20 add 4 equals 24. 24 add 4 equals 28. And 28 add 4 equals 32. So that's where I stop because I've got to 32. Now to get my quotient, I need to count how many jumps I had to do. I did 8 jumps, so 32 divided by 4 has a quotient of 8. Finally, let's have a go at 40 divided by 8, and then I've got one more thing to show you. So 40 divided by 8, my divisor is 8, so that is the value of the jumps that I'm going to do. So I'm going to start on 0 on the left hand side and jump in 8s until I get to 40. 0 add 8 equals 8. 8 add 8 equals 16. 16 add 8 equals 24. 24 add 8 equals 32. 32 add 8 equals 40. Now I've got to 40, so I've stopped my jumps, and I'm going to count how many jumps I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I did 5 jumps, so 40 divided by 8 has a quotient of 5. Let me show you this equation. 52 divided by 4. Now, the first number in a division equation is called the dividend. If you notice that the dividend is 10 times more than the divisor, 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40, then you can use your multiplication facts to make the number line easier for you. Let me show you. I'm going to start with 0 on the left hand side. I'm going to do one big jump of 4 multiplied by 10 equals 40. And I'm going to put that down there. That means I've got less jumps to make until I get to 52. So I'm going to carry on now in jumps of 4 until I get to 52. So 40 add 4 is 44. 44 add 4 is 48. 48 add 4 is 52. Again, we have to count these jumps, but we need to remember that this big jump here is worth 10. 11, 12, 13. So although it looks like I've only done 4 jumps, because this jump is worth 10, I've actually done 13 jumps. So 52 divided by 4 has a quotient of 13. I hope this video has helped you understand how to use a number line to divide. Now, if you spot really closely, you might see some equations on your home learning where you can use multiplication facts to do a big jump of 10. See you soon!